Welcome back. We are doing the problems on area of triangle, area of parallelogram. So we'll continue the class. So in today's class, we do the problems on circles, that is circumference of a circle, area of a circle. Okay, so we'll find area of circle when radius is given. We have to find area of circle when diameter is given. So we'll find out areas in different cases when radius and diameters are given. So in today's class, the first problem is find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 35 centimeters. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 35 centimeters. Okay, so here the radius is denoted by r, that is 35 centimeters. So what is circumference? Circumference is nothing but a boundary line. So the line, the boundary line is called the circumference. So to find the circumference of a circle, generally the circumference we denote with c. This is equal to 2 pi r. And here the value of pi is a constant value we assume as 22 by 7. Okay, so here 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. Okay, so 7 ones are 7 5s are we can cancel. Now 2 into 22 is 44 into 5. So you have to multiply this. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 and 22. So we get 220. The units is given as centimeters. So circumference is 220 centimeters. Okay, now we'll go to the next problem when the radius is 4.2 centimeters. Now the second case what we have is the radius is 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeters. C is equal to 2 pi r. So C is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2. Right. So what I'll do, I'll write this 4.2 in fraction form, in p by q form. So C is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 by 10. We can write it as 42 by 10. 7 ones are 7, 6 I'll cancel. Then after that what I do is 22 into 2 is 44 into 6 by 10 I'll do. So C is equal to 4 6 are 24 to 24 26 by 10. So as the denominator is 10, what I do is I just put the decimal from left after one digit. So that is circumcenter will be 26.4 centimeters. Okay, so this is completed. Next one, see again we'll find out the same, that means circumference, but the radius is given as 15.4 centimeters. So now the radius is 15.4 centimeters. So we need to find the circumference. C is equal to 2 pi r. So we'll substitute now. 2 into 22 by 7 into 15.4. So this 15.4 I'll write in a fraction or in a p by q form. 22 by 7 into 154 by 10. After decimal one digit. So 154 by 10. So we can eliminate this in 154 can be cancelled in 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. We have 15. So remainder is 1. 7 twos are 14. So we have 2 into 22 into 22 is 484. Right? By 10 as it is. So 484 into 2. It is 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 10. So for 10 we have 1 0. So shift the decimal after this before this 8. That means what we get is 96.8 centimeters. Okay, so this is completed. Okay, next problem. See here, taking pi is equal to 3.14. So here, generally the constant value pi is 22 by 7. If you divide 22 by 7, it is approximately 3.14. So as in the problem he mentioned the value of pi, we need to take 3.14. By taking this 3.14, we will find out the circumference of a circle when radius is 8 centimeters. Okay, so now R is equal to 8 centimeters they gave for the first problem. Circumference is 2 pi r. So C is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into, sorry, not 22 by 7. So by mistake. So here C is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 8 we have to do, right? So C is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 into 8. So we have 6.28 into 8, that comes to 50.24. It is 50.24 centimeters. So this is the circumference of a circle when radius is 8. Now we'll go to the second one when radius is 15 centimeters. So when radius is 15 centimeters, C is equal to 2 pi r. C is 2 into, it is 3.14 into 15. Okay. So now what we'll do is just simplify this. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 into 15. It is 6.28 into 15 comes to 94.2 centimeters. So 94.2 centimeters is a circumference of a circle. Now the third one, R is equal to 20 centimeters. So C is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay. So C is equal to, it is 2 into 3.14 into 20. So C is equal to 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. So it is 6.28 into 20. So 6.28 into 20 comes to 125.6 centimeters. Okay. So this is completed. Okay. Next problem. Calculate the radius of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeters. So here we have to find out R when circumference is given. Okay. So here circumference C is equal to 44 centimeters. Okay. Now the formula, but what is circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle when radius is r. Circumference of a circle when radius is r is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay. Radius of a circle is 2 pi r, and what is circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and the given circumference is 44. So both are circumference. So I'll equate the circumference of a circle to the given formula. So that is equal to 44. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44, right? So in order to get the value of r, what I'll do is, see, just you can write 44 by 7 into r is equal to 44. See, here we can eliminate 44 is equal to 44. When you have is equal to, you can cancel numerator. Okay. So I cancelled. So we have r by 7 is equal to 1. So if I cross multiply, I'll get r is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. So this is completed. Next problem. If the circumference of a circle is 264 centimeters, find its radius. Okay. Now we will write down the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is equal to 264 centimeters. Okay. But what is circumference of a circle when radius is r? But the circumference of a circle whose radius is r, is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay. Now in order to find the radius, what we do, 2 pi r circumference, 264 is also circumference, that means both are same. So we'll equate those two. So 2 pi r is equal to 264. So 2 into pi we take 22 by 7 into r is equal to 264. So we can write it as 44 by 7 into r is equal to 264. Now what I'll do, I'll just cross multiply. See, cross multiply means R will be there only. R is equal to 264 into 7. 264 into 7 by 44. 264 into 7 by 44. So we can eliminate this in 11 table, that is 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. So we have 26. I am saying 11 2s are 22. So the remainder is 4. So 4, write it here. 4 4 will become 44. So we write 11 4s are 44. And here also 11 goes 4 times. That means 11 goes 24 times in 264. 11 goes 4 times in 44. Then 4 1s are 4. 4 6 are 24. So the value of R is nothing but 42 centimeters. Okay, so this is completed. So next problem. If the circumference of a circle is 33 centimeters, find its diameter. See, we have two methods to solve this problem. So first what we do is we write the circumference. I'll tell first one method, later on I'll tell the second one. So the first method what we'll do is, first we write the circumference. The circumference of a circle, it is 33 centimeters. As 2 pi r is the circumference, I write 2 pi r and I'll equate it to 33. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 33, right? So here we'll calculate this. So we get 44 by 7 into r is equal to 33. See, here both can be eliminated in 11 table. 11 4s are, 11 3s are. Okay, we cancelled. Now what we have is 4r by 7 is equal to 3. Now we'll cross multiply except this r. So r will become 3 into 7. The denominator 7 goes to numerator and numerator 4 will come to denominator. So r value is 21 by 4. So what is r value we are getting? 21 by 4. So now we need to divide this 21 by 4. So we get 5.25. So this is nothing but, so r value is 5.25 centimeters. Okay, so this is completed, but I'll tell the second method. In the second method what we do is, we have one more formula. Sorry, once again. R is equal to 5.25 centimeters. It's not completed. We need to find the diameter. Okay, so now what is diameter? Diameter is nothing but 2 times radius. What is diameter? It is 2 times radius, twice the radius. So d is equal to 2 into, we need to do 5.25. So what is 2 into 5.25? It is 10.5 centimeters. Now this is completed because we got the radius, as we have to find diameter, it is 2r. Now I'll tell the second method here. So this is second method, just I'll write aliter, that means it is another method. Okay, in this another method, see, what is circumference given? 33 centimeters. Circumference is 33 centimeters. Now as we need to find the diameter, what is circumference of a circle if d is a diameter? Circumference of a circle, if d is the diameter. So what is circumference of a circle if d is the diameter? It is pi d. So pi d is the circumference of a circle when diameter is given. So now what we do is we equate, that means pi d is equal to 33. Pi d is equal to 33. So pi you take it as 22 by 7 into d is equal to 33. Okay, now we can eliminate in 11 table directly. So 11 2s are, 11 3s are. So d is nothing but just cross multiply the denominator, already 3 is there, into 7 by 2. So d is equal to 21 by 2. So d is 10.5 centimeters. Okay, so we got the same result. After finding the radius, we got the diameter, and directly by using pi d also we got the diameter. Okay, completed. So next question. How many times will a wheel of radius 35 centimeters to be rotated to travel 660 meters? Okay, so now first what we do is to find the number of revolutions of a wheel. First we'll find the circumference of a wheel. That circumference of a wheel gives for one revolution. Okay, it gives for one revolution or one rotation. One rotation of wheel is nothing but the circumference whose radius is 35 centimeters. So first we'll find out the circumference of a circle or circumference of a wheel which is in the shape of a circle using radius 35 centimeters. We'll get the circumference. That circumference gives for one rotation or one revolution, whatever we can say. So for one rotation we'll get, then for 660 meters how many times it has to rotate we'll find out. So first what I'll do is I'll find out the circumference. So for finding the circumference, first what is given? It is given that the radius of a circle, the radius of a circle r is equal to 35 centimeters. Okay, now circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle when radius r is nothing but 2 pi r. So now 2 pi r is equal to, I'll substitute now, 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. Now I'll find out the circumference of a circle whose radius is r. So r is 2, that means when circumference of a circle when radius r is 2 pi r. So 7 ones are, 7 5s are. So we get 44 into 5. So 44 into 5 is nothing but it is 220 centimeters. Okay, so 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 35, 7 1s are 7 5s are, 44 into 5, it is 220 centimeters. That means, see here, one rotation covers 220 centimeters, right? One rotation covers 220 centimeters, but we have to find out for 660 meters. So here the units we have to convert. Okay, so we can convert it, no problem. See, 1 meter is how many centimeters? 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So for 220 centimeters, how many meters? So what you do is just cross multiply after opposite to this question mark, 220 into 1 by 100. So to convert this into meters, we need to divide by 100. Then it will be converted into meters. So we can eliminate 0, 0. So the distance how much we are getting is, it is 22 by 10 meters. Let it be like this. So now we will find out one rotation is 22 by 10 meters. So we need to find out for 660 meters. So for 660 meters, how many rotations? So just cross multiply 660 into 1 divided by 22 by 10, right? So now this 10 goes to the numerator. So what we get is 660 into 10 by 22. So this can be eliminated, these two in 11 table. So 11 2s are 22, 11 6s are 66, 11 zeros are, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 30s are 60. So we have 30 into 10. So what is 30 into 10? 30 into 10 is nothing but we get 300. So how many rotations for 660 meters? It is 300 rotations, or 300 we can say revolutions. Okay, this is completed.